to record the store, but I need to stop to try something.
These days, the term artisanal and handcrafted gets thrown around a lot, when in reality, they are no match to long-standing community gems like Sandy's Bakery and Deli. If you know us well, you know we go crazy for the truly authentic places like this. That's why for today's episode of Chicago Takeout, we're headed to Jefferson Park to treat you all to a tour and a meal from this awesome Serbian American shop. Today we're here with Tulian and we're at Sandy's Bakery. So how long have you guys been open?
Hey, we've been open for the past 27 years, located in Jefferson Park. Yes, it's a family-owned Serbian bakery and deli. Everything we make here, as you can see, are homemade. My mother-in-law, she makes it here, which is Sandy.
And what would be your most popular item?
I would say our chavapi, which is like 100% like beef sausage, skinless sausages, and our roasted pig and roasted lamb. We like very popular. Customers get it here all the time. My favorite, to be honest, is the grill, the hamburger, the 9-inch, really big, generous hamburger. Comes with cream cheese, onion, hot peppers, if you like, fries. It's so delicious.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to try that one out.
Yeah. Okay, so what's the difference between this one and a burek?
So our pita is pretty much very similar to our pork, but it's a little different because our pork over there has 3 layers of the phyllo dough, but this one is only 1 phyllo dough, and you just like roll it up and then you just like make it into a circle.
Okay.
Yes, and it comes with different flavors.
Sounds good.
Yes.
I'm gonna try this.
Yes.
Ground beef, all the way.
The ground beef,
They're right over here. Our homemade delicious cream cheese called kaimak. So we use this cream cheese for all kind of our grill food. It goes so perfect with it. It's frozen though, but they defrost so fast.
Okay.
Yeah, and you could just use them and then freeze them back in the freezer. We make them here, very popular. We sell like a lot of these. Like for the lasagna bread. For the lasagna bread, we make at least like 400 of them on Saturdays.
Oh,
yeah, so like non-stop, like in the oven.
That's cool.
Alright, so I got a piece of pork crackling, basically like deep fried fat. It's salty and you can taste that fat. It's really smooth. Coats the tongue really nice. Really savory, really good. I like it. I like the mix of crunch and salt.
This reminds me of Puerto Rico. We add this to the rice, to the white rice.
Yeah, tocino.
Tocino.
Yeah. But here it's more crunchy and it just dissolves.
It's like small croissants.
Okay.
It's listed, yeah. It's small croissants. You can say croissants with cheese.
Alright, so this is a croissant with cheese, and I'm really excited to try it.
We're gonna do a picnic with all this stuff.
Yeah. So they have a grocery section here at Sandy's Bakery. They have everything from coffee, like cookies, pastas, oil. So you really do get a little bit of everything here, which is really nice. So if you're missing something or need something specific, you may find it here. With so many unique products, we can see why Sandy's is such a beloved place for the Serbian community in Chicago, which by the way is one of the largest communities of Serbian Americans in the US. So Tulian was telling us that they have a selection of smoked meats. Those are ready to eat. You can order them by the pound, or you can have other like ready-to-eat meals that they have here at the deli section, like Sarma.
The most important question: what dessert are we getting?
Oh, there's so many. I don't know which one to choose from. I mean, yeah, I know which one. I know which one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Decisions. I went with Tulian's recommendations, and I'll have to go back for that ginormous burger she was talking about. We want to take a moment to give a shout out to the Mamuchos, our vlogger friends who are currently in Serbia and challenged us to find great Serbian food here in Chicago. We'll leave a link to their channel in the description box below.
All right, so we're at the park. We're ready to eat.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm kind of hungry, and I'm really excited to try these items that we got.
I want to try this.
Yeah, it's Shokota flavor.
Okay, hold on. I need to try this first. I'm excited. So is this Lincoln Park?
This is part of Lincoln Park.
We just walk around here every once in a while, but we never actually had lunch here, which is awesome.
No.
Oh, maybe we did once, like 5 years ago.
Yeah, and we had our small lunch and then fell asleep.
Yeah, I think the bottle is blue.
Yeah, the bottle is blue.
But it's transparent. I can't show you from here, but
the drink is actually clear. Yeah. Let me see if I can guess. It looks like it's a citrus flowery flavor, citrus floral flavor.
Yeah, I don't know what the flower is, but it's good.
So we got the Sandy's single mix plate. So it has a mix of different meats.
Check out this bread, guys. It smells so good. All right, I'm gonna rip it up.
That bread is really soft too. What are you gonna start? You gonna start with the bread?
I'm gonna start with the chabapi.
You gonna start with the chabapi? All right. And so it has chabapi. I see there's chicken. There's some sausage links. And, oh, I don't know what this is.
How am I supposed to eat this? Just like with the bread?
Yeah, I guess just with the bread. Like, and this, I don't know what this is. It may be pork?
Kebab.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's a kebab. Let me try it. Yeah. Let's try the kebab.
Switch. What is This is amazing. The flavor in this.
Oh, let me try the links.
Can I lick my fingers? Is this that kind of episode?
It's that kind of episode, people.
Okay, good.
Let me try the pita. It kind of looks like a burek. Tuyen was explaining that I think this has less phyllo dough. So this has less phyllo dough than the burek.
It's really tasty.
Yeah, let me
try the
try
sarma.
Yeah, let me try the sarma. Yeah, one of my favorite items is sarma. So as you guys know, it's a cabbage roll stuffed with meat, rice. I don't know if this one has, it looks like it might have some rice, yeah. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this. So here we go, here's a piece of the sarma. I had a little bit of a rough time cutting it, but I finally got a piece for you.
Yeah,
I'm really excited.
When you're not at home.
Yeah.
That looks so good. Alright, hold on.
Like the sauce that sarma was in, just like the whole package, like eating that whole package of cabbage with meat and rice and the sauce, it's just fantastic.
Ooh, wait, I forgot. We got
roasted lamb.
This is roasted lamb. She gave us like a combination of ribs and what else?
Like, yeah, different parts. So I make like lamb chops. And that's the only way that I've ever had lamb.
This is really good. So which one's your favorite from the things that we got?
My favorite so far has been, it's really tough because everything has been delicious.
So good, yeah.
Sarma's been very good, the pita, but I think it's the pork kebab because I've never had it.
I was gonna say the same thing.
And it's just so juicy and tender. That has been my favorite so far. Everything has been great, but that one specifically stands out to me.
It's already gone, guys. Like. All right, so what did you get here?
I got the Kinder Torta. I couldn't resist. It's chocolate and it has Kinder. How can you not like ask for that?
It looks massive. I mean, it got a little destroyed in the car, but I mean, it's so perfectly edible.
Look at it.
It has like a cookie type thing at the bottom, so it's not like cake. Okay. I think Nabol needs a moment.
It's like a pudding on the top, and I think the cake portion is on the bottom. So here's a bite that has a little bit of everything in it.
Chocolate and cream. I don't know what's in it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, and on that delicious note, we really hope you enjoyed this takeout episode. Really go stop by Sandy's and, you know, get everything they have to offer.
You can't go wrong. Thank you to the staff at Sandy's Bakery for allowing us to record and just being such a great host and playing along with our shenanigans. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.